Alrighty, well check it out. I've been talking to Maxy a little bit here and there. Found out that he was going on a road trip with the H2, so I told him, hey, swing by Kansas City. He said, you know what? I'm going to St. Louis. Fuck it, I'll stop by Kansas City. So he's supposed to be coming down this highway. He may have already passed. I don't even know. I could just be sitting here. I try to time it to where he should be coming from the distance that he said he was coming from. Just gonna go roll around, talk to Maxy for a little bit. Tonight we do have a big group ride planned, and I think it is going to be wild. So stay tuned for all of that. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. If you guys are new, we do post weekly, so check out the channel. See if you like it. Just gonna sit here and wait for Maxy, hopefully.
This is Raven Beats.
There he is, bro! No fucking way, bro! No fucking way, bro! Damn! God, dude. The full carbon H2. That thing's minty, bro. There's his wife right there. Officially an H2 Kappa. Nah, that was sick. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh my god, that was close. The Nina H2. Look like he's been burning that tire a little bit, boy. The fastest production bike in America. In the world, actually. In carbon fiber, and he's just hitting the cruise control. Look at him. He's just hanging out. To give the people what they want. God damn. I can't get over that thing, bro. What up? What's good, bro? It's pretty quick.
How long's it gonna last?
It'll be alright, it'll be alright.
What?
I said it'll be alright.
Yeah. Dude, it looks clean as fuck, dude.
What?
I like it.
Yeah. That thing's nasty.
Dude, the head bobbing is so hard to drive.
Oh, I bet.
I just go when you go, you know?
Yeah.
What I mean?
Yeah.
It's tough.
Still can't believe the boy Maxy made it out here, bro. We was just talking about this fucking around in Discord like a month ago. And he's actually here. He's gonna tell her we need some gas. I got 9 miles until I'm empty.
Speed limit 30, you're going 70. Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
In the Tesla, fuck it. Smash it.
She knows I would. I don't drive that thing.
Never drive it.
Really?
No, it's
Yeah.
itself, man.
For real.
Dude, you gotta get a new little lens cover, my dude.
I know.
That's dangerous business right there.
One good rock and she's toast.
The H2 gapper.
Nah.
Meetup and then it's like 10 minutes.
Is that stuff? Doesn't it?
Yeah, it goes like that, yeah.
Dude,
You ain't got an instant 360?
keep right up with them.
The Turbo Musa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you probably weigh like 140 though, huh?
140? Nah, like almost 170.
Really?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
6 foot.
Oh, shit.
I just got clouded out by that exhaust on that piece of shit car. His wife seems pretty cute. She's got a lot of energy for being on a road trip right now. I probably would be the opposite. Grab some gas real quick at my favorite Quick Trip. Yeah. Because I was waiting for your girl to pull in. And she was waiting for the guy to walk across. Dude, there are some miserable fucks out here. Literally, helmet's been off for 2 seconds and
There's an animal right there, man.
Watch your legs, don't burn yourself.
He is riding a dirt bike today.
Yeah. I'll help you get it up. You got your foot over there? Yeah. How's that feel? Pretty heavy. You gotta pick one side or the other kind of thing. Like,
Before we sign off, just wanted to let you guys know that this is only the footage of me and Maxy meeting up for the first time. We still have the group ride to drop, as well as a pretty crazy night racing a 2,000 horsepower GTR with Maxy as well. Big shout out to him for rolling through KC, and thanks to everyone who showed up for the event. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos dropping in the following weeks, and don't forget about the merch that is available now. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always, and I will see you in the next one.